LeBron gang, what's good? Big homie back with another sneaker video. First off, I just want to say thank y'all, for everybody that's been rocking with me over these last couple months. I started January 1st, so I was like, I'm jumping back on YouTube and I'm going full throttle, and I think I've been doing that. So all y'all that's been rocking with me, all the new followers, appreciate y'all for, giving me a chance and subscribing. You know what I'm saying? I'm just going to keep the content coming. Like, I buy what I like. I'm not the typical, collector. I only got one pair of Jordans, and I said I was going to bring them to let y'all see them one time, but I still ain't bought them in here. They're in the other room, but I'll get to it, and I'll eventually, bring them in here. But like I said, I just want to say thank y'all for rocking with me. We're just going to go up from here. If you watched the other video I just posted the other day, wifey and I, we went to Cincinnati. I didn't pick anything up. She got lucky, though. She found the SVSM LeBron Zoom Generation for $50. And, I've been looking for that shoe for a while, so now I'm on the hunt for it. Definitely got to get it. But I wasn't tripping, on the trip because I knew, I had these on the way. And I knew, I was just trying to, I was out of town, so I was just trying to find something to get something. So like I said, here in Cincinnati last weekend, I wasn't tripping because I knew these was on the way. So pack touchdown today, and I'm just going to unbox these with y'all. Seen pics of them online, but I've never seen them in person. So I was going to wait, see the box still sealed up. I was just going to, do the unboxing with y'all. I'm about to tear into this thing. I don't know if we can count this. I'm on the road to 200 in the LeBron collection. I guess I can count this. This would be pair 190, I want to say. So, as you can tell, it is a Bron. We'll just go over the box. You know what I'm saying? Strive for greatness on the back. Witness on this side. Just a Nike sign on this side. LJ on the top. There's the label. Try to catch that glare. So we got LeBron Witness 9. Color is desert pink, black, and pink rise. So like I said, this is Bronny's PE of the Witness 9. A lot of people was talking about it. I was looking online, actually didn't see no reviews. So this might be one of the first reviews. I haven't seen it. Like, I've seen the Witness 9, but I actually haven't seen this shoe. People just posted like videos of, the shoe coming or whatever. So we'll just jump straight into it. Tell me what y'all think. Bam. Bam. Bron Witness 9. Not bad. You got the Bronny logo on the back. To be a teardown, I guess you can call it, or, well, yeah, technically is a teardown. It's actually not bad. I thought it was going to look, what I'm saying, I ain't going to say worse in person, but what I'm saying, like, this is my first time ever buying a Witness. I bought the Soldiers. I bought a few in the Soldiers line, but this would be my first one in the Witness line. Kind of like in these backwards Nike signs on here. I'm trying to get these laces. Get the other one out here. Ooh. What y'all think? Not bad. I was just looking on the inside of the box. Got Akron on the inside of the box. See what else is on the inside. Then that's it. Like I said, that box gonna go straight to the trash there going in the drop front. It's actually not bad. What y'all think? So, we'll do the quick big homie, review on it. It's got the crown, on the midsole. It's like that pink, light pink, white, and like that darker pink. The backward Nike sign, I'm really digging that. I was thinking it looks like it's 3M, but it's not. It's like an iridescent, kind of color. On the back again, we got that Bronny logo. On the toe box on the top, see it says Bronny. Bottom, it's got the 2-3 with the crown logo. They're actually not bad. And on the tongue, it just says LJ Witness. On the tongue, got the React X in it. Like I said, I'm not hooping, but I wonder how comfortable they're going to be, when you put them on. But yeah, it's not bad. Like, I've seen Bronny playing in them. He do his thing out there in them, so they must be comfortable. Yeah, for 115, it's a no-brainer to me. That's a price I can live with all day. With everything going kind of that price, when you look at like the AEs and the Jaws and all that. I think AEs is like 130, Jaws is like 125, 135. 115, you can't beat it. It's not bad. Like, I just wanted to, I rock with Bronny. I got a couple of his jersey. I got his USC jersey. Got a couple of colorways of, the USC. I think it was, I forget which ones it was. 19s, 18s, 19s. But they're not bad. Let's throw it on foot. See what it look like. What y'all think? I ain't tie them up. Left them kind of untied. Just got some regular black Nike socks on. Probably what I rock with them. Black Nike socks. That ain't bad though. That Nike check is like a 3M reflective, some type of 3M. It's not the typical, but I'm digging them. And like I said, I like to wear stuff that's different. So ain't nobody gonna have these on but me, I guarantee it. What they think? Yep, they not bad. Got that B on the back, that Bronny logo. I'm digging them. You probably get away with some white socks. I think I'm gonna rock them with black socks. So yeah, LeBron Witness 9, Bronny PE. I give them about an 8 out of 10. I'm gonna rock them. They kind of comfortable. Like I said, I did the on feet. I usually don't do on feet, but I'm gonna start doing them. You know what I mean? Because I wear just for scale. I wear a 13. You know what I'm saying? So you can kind of make your decision or base your opinion off of that. But yeah, LeBron Witness 9, Bronny PE. Or I didn't even know they got a B up here too on them. Let's do a little once over. See what we got. Make sure we ain't missing nothing. Got that Bronny 9 logo. Got another B right there. Yeah, I think that's it. Like I said, that's a nice little touch. Say Bronny on the toe box. Yeah, they cool. And like I said, for 115, not bad at all. But comment down below what you think. You hate it, you love it. It's not bad, it's not for you. What you think? Tell me what you think. Like I said, quick little unboxing. Just want to do it with y'all. Like I said, 115, I seen them on there. And I just decided to grab it. So yeah, comment down below what you think. Comment, like, subscribe. Like I said, I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. There's going to be more videos to come. I got another pair on the way. As soon as that one come, wifey, I'm going to try and get her in here, some of her pairs. But we know how that go. She'd be like, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. It is what it is, though. But like I said, appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Catch y'all in the next one.